here we are. Welcome. I am Mrs. Giles, your reading teacher for 2021 school year, which is going to be an interesting year to say the least. We're going to be talking about a few things. The first thing we're going to talk about are some things you want to consider and maybe respond to in your mind or on paper if you choose. But some of those things are, what are the classroom rules? And what are consequences for broken rules? What happens if you have your cell phone on and the teacher sees it? And what is ISS? These are just a few questions that we're going to hit upon today during instruction. So the classroom rules: you have to be on time and prepared for class, you have to complete homework, come to class with necessary supplies. Class begins with the bell and ends when you are dismissed by the teacher. That means that you stay in your seat until you are dismissed, not before the bell. Respect the rights of others. That means, first of all, starting by respecting yourself, and then also the one person speaks at a time. Receive permission to leave your seat, raise your hand to be recognized, and keep your hands to yourself. When the bell rings, as stated, you want to make sure that you're in your seat, that you're ready to work quietly. You want to begin the opening activity. The directions will either be projected, they'll be on the board, or you'll be able to use your Chromebooks on Canvas to respond to the opening activity. And then once you've responded to that, you will wait quietly for the teacher's instruction. Classroom rules continued. The third rule is to respect school property, which means you keep the school graffiti free and you keep the school clean. You have the student planner must always be in your possession, which I don't think that rule is going to apply anymore because of COVID. You won't be having a student planner. All right, and then the next thing we're going to talk about are consequences if rules are broken, and we'll continue with that tomorrow.